Alright guys, today it's a different type of video. This was on sale at the local grocery store. So this is Daiya dairy-free key lime cheesecake. So kind of curious of what it actually tastes like. So it's gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free, as you can see. So I'm going to show you the side panel. Here's the back. Like I said, this was on sale. 17 grams of sugar, so cane sugar, coconut cream they use, and then you got some canola oil, you got some vegan culture, some lactic acid, that's vegan, so gluten-free crust. Alright, let's open this up. Wow, okay, there you go. It is kind of cold and frozen, so I'm going to thaw it out a bit before I eat it, so stay tuned guys. Alright, so here's the cheesecake. So I've been letting it thaw out for a bit. I'm going to get the shrink wrap off it. There we go. Whoops. That's what it looks like. There's no real smell out of it, so I don't smell any aroma, but let's do a quick taste test to find out. So keep in mind this is dairy free. There we go. That is actually really good. It has no sweet taste to it. You get some of that sort of cheesecake taste to it. Very subtle texture, very creamy, just like coconut cream. And you get that aroma of key lime in there. So it's actually really good, guys. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.